Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So you see I have some almonds that have been soaking overnight and they are unsalted, unroasted, just regular raw almonds. And you know what? I always wondered, how is it that my daughter, my baby girl, can drink almond milk but she's allergic to almonds? Well, let me tell you why. The almond milk that we are used to, which you are getting ready to see, I'm going to put somewhere on the screen. The almond milk that we're used to is almond breeze, silk milk, and all that crazy fancy stuff. Do you know that in that gallon or semi-gallon, I think it's only like 90 something, the bottom one right there, there are only maybe 6 to 7 almonds in there, and then in a half a gallon it may be about 3 or 4 almonds in there. So it is diluted so much, and it comes with a lot of other ingredients. Have you really turned your thing around and seen the mess that's inside of your almond milk? Well, I started making my own syrup. I started making my own milk. I'm trying to do my best to make everything I can if it's simpler. I get a bag of almonds, and I'll try to put it in the end of this video. I get a bag of almonds for $7 for 32 ounces, and I can get the jar that you're going to see in this video several times out of this one bag. And I pay $4 to $5 for half a gallon of milk. And I get a bag of almonds for $7, and I can make several halves a gallon out of the bag. So this is just easy. Regular filtered water. If you want to flavor it, you can do as I'm going to do. I'm going to be adding a little bit of imitation vanilla. Once that's gone, I'm going to stick more to the regular vanilla extract, but we're not going to waste anything. You can flavor this however you want it. You could put dates in it, honey in it, or whatever. But look at all the almonds in that actual jar. I did it old school, but now I have a bag, a nut bag. I wasn't trying to wait for the nut bag. I literally strained this to get the milk that you're going to see in this. But it just gives me satisfaction knowing what me and my children are going to be drinking, and that it is pure almond milk, water, and almond. That is it. And I just put it in the refrigerator, and this lasts about a week. Hope you guys enjoy. Later, gators.